For founders, social visibility matters, but staying visible every day takes more work than people admit. A good comment needs relevance, tone, and a useful point. That's why the empty comment box can feel heavier than it looks. The easy comments are usually the forgettable ones. Great post. Totally agree. Thanks for sharing. None of that builds recall. Meet B2B Growth Kit, built to help your B2B business find, connect, and keep clients. Install Keep Browser Extension, and magical AI comment button appears inside your normal feed. AI reads the post, understands the topic, and match your saved voice and business context to draft a comment that adds something useful. And of course, you can fine-tune it before post it. This is why Keep is powerful. It uses your tone and style, know your business, and you still decide what gets posted across the social feeds where your buyers already spend time. Stay visible and keep your connections warm. Start today and keep your pipeline moving with b2bgrowthkit.com.